Hello dancers, this is our Saturday 10:30 routine, Kiss Me. So girls, last week when we finished our dance, we did our big walk in a circle around the room and back to your spot. Today we're going to finish up our dance. After you get back to your spot, you're going to repeat our section that we've already learned with our échappés, our glissade, and changing your feet, our jumps to our big reach. Awesome. From there, we're going to close our foot in front to our third position and do our 4 changements. So you go change your feet, 2, 3, 4. Do another big reach, close in front to third, change your feet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Big reach, close in front to third, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to tippy-toe around ourselves. Do our one more last big reach for your end pose. Okay, girls, so we start this dance off stage, so let's go ahead and get started. Come on over. Tippy-toe. Your spot, turn around. Ready, big reach. Kiss me and reach. I'll be nearly barley. Reach. Nightly. Beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing. Swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and that's where you wear that dress. Ready, jump. Little jump. Big jump. Little jump. Point your toe. With your toe, close, jump, it's in front, ready? Let's change your feet. 2, 3, 4, big reach, all the way back. Ready, go. Watch our special spots. 5, 6, 7, 8, air gusts. We've got air gusts. Now we're to our blue line. Ready? Échappés. Go. Big jump, little jump. Big, little, point your toe. Tippy toes. Point your toe. Close. Jump. Ready? Switch your feet. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And a big reach. Ready? We're gonna big walk in a big circle. All the way around the room. And back to your spot. Good job, everyone. That was our Saturday 10:30 dance. Kiss me. We'll see you soon.